Too fast, it can slime me as ever. Life is too grimy, y'all watch for the devil. It's a Rolls Royce and it come with umbrellas. 2018 in that Porsche Corolla. Go your pouch. Rats in a quarter ounce. 2 accounts. Large amount. Shop around. Designer down. Dribble drown. Dribble drown.
Is it gonna go? Oh. What's up, YouTube? It's your girl Kimori. It's your girl Jada. It's your girl Angela. And we are 3 Account. It's the first video, y'all. Okay, so first we're doing a mukbang with Five Guys. Yeah. And then we're gonna answer questions. Q&A also. Yeah. So it's what a mukbang is. So we're gonna introduce our first our food, our person. Perfect. Okay, so I'm gonna go first since I got the simplest thing because I'm not that hungry, but I am hungry.
Why should we trying to get from my food?
I'm really not. That's why I told my sister to have the fries that I was supposed to get from you.
Oh, well, dang. My burger doggone salty and all.
the burger is in a wrapper. What are you talking about?
But it's salty. It got salt on it.
It's like the fries.
Yeah.
Baby, that's not salt. That's
because of the fries. If you felt my hand, you would know there's salt on my burger.
Okay,
anyways, already eating your fries.
Anyways, so I got just not a regular burger. Yeah, the regular burger. And I put mayonnaise. Oh, I got cheeseburger, by the way. Mayonnaise, ketchup, mustard, and lettuce. And that's all I got. And a drink. Oh, she gave us free drinks. Because she was like, I know they're high price, so y'all can just get the free drinks. And I was like, cute.
I was like, she doing the
right. So my turn, I got the small fries, yeah. And then I got the cheeseburger with just lettuce and mayo and ketchup, and my pickles, I got my pickles.
Okay, more time. You feel me? All I got was a plain burger with some ketchup on it. Don't tease me. And I got small fries.
She accidentally didn't mean to say tomato.
No, because we was in a rush.
We was in a rush, y'all. Because she had to go.
Lettuce, but I meant tomato.
Last minute tomatoes.
So. She had to go to Fix and Stitch and literally waste our time trying to get her dress fitted for next week.
Anyways.
Okay, so we're going to start the questions, okay? So, what is our age?
I am 15, actually. So
I am 16.
And I'm 16.
Okay, what grade are we in?
I am in 10th grade.
I'm in 11th.
I'm in 11th.
When's our birthday?
My birthday is August 1st. Leo game.
Leo game too. August 8th. I was going to say 8th.
April 21st. Taurus already know. We done bulls over here.
We got another bulls over here. This house full of Leos.
Oh, I don't care.
All chilling Leos over here.
I don't care.
Period.
Taurus all day.
Okay, this is actually good, bro. I never had two. I never get what y'all said.
Okay. Here we go.
Man, come on now.
Okay. Are we single or taken? Taken.
I'm single. Yeah.
Okay. How did we meet? Okay, so me and Angela gonna tell our side first because we didn't meet her until like a whole nother year. Yeah. So, my perspective from meeting Angela was I did not like Angela. She did not like me.
I didn't like you.
And believe it or not, neither one of us like Kimori. So we was like, okay, so we have band. That's how we know each other. We had band. And we was in band in 7th grade and we had different classes. I was not in the class with Angela. I had a whole nother best friend in that class. That was my bestie. And
I was looking at her because she thought
we had to merge classes because every single time we had a concert, we had to merge classes. So her class came my class, and I seen her, and she would always be looking at me. And then I would tell my best friend, I was like, "Why is she looking at me so hard?" And not saying anything. Like I didn't care that if she would have said something, I wouldn't care. But I'm like, "Why are you just staring at me?" And so,
good. She looked like one of them girls that were at other race, Prissy, pretty much. And
at that time I was, cause that's all I hanged around.
I didn't like that.
That's all I knew. But not really.
Yep. But then eventually,
8th grade came, we had a class together. Because 8th grade class was a big band. And
we grew on each other.
yeah. Well, 9th grade we actually got close. That was how we got close.
Yeah. 9th grade we got real
And then me and Angela had this friend named Sylvester. And he was a senior when we were, no, he was a junior when we came.
Yeah.
And then he became a senior when we was in 10th grade.
When she came.
And then she came. And we knew her brother, Tristan, because he was in our grade.
Yeah.
And so she came and got a whole birthday gift from him. Mind you, we knew Sylvester a whole year before her. So why he didn't get us a birthday gift, I have no idea. I still have never gotten a gift from him.
That's why they
You know
didn't
what?
like
Now I
me.
think about it, I haven't either.
He gave her candy and money and a card that had a whole bunch of words in it. And we was like, Kimori, I know good and well you do not like him. And she's a freshman messing with a senior. We was like, no.
They weren't it wrong, but I'm gonna change it real quick. That's why they didn't like me. I actually liked them. And then when it was like one day we was playing our instruments and stuff like that, you know, doing what marching band people do. And then I went up to them, I made a joke, and they both started laughing. I think that's when they both
Well, we was
kind of
actually
liked me a
laughing
little
or
bit.
like,
Y'all was laughing actually, because you was
I
like,
don't remember what she said.
I don't remember what I said either, but she was laughing like really hard.
Well, I
and
laugh at
Angela-
everything.
Yeah, it is. Laugh at every freaking thing. So you're so naive. You go.
How that's naive?
That's not what I meant. I'm trying to find a word. Never mind. Anyways, pause.
Wait.
So
Go ahead.
so I actually really liked them, and it was like Sylvester only got me that gift because it was my birthday, and we became so close. In the point in time, it was like only like 3 days that we know each other, and we got real close.
And mind you, Angela used to like him.
Yeah, I had a whole crush on this guy.
And he thinking none of us nothing.
Nothing.
Mind you, I done had a sweet 16 party. She invited him to her sweet 16 party
He
too.
didn't even come.
He didn't even come. Didn't get us nothing.
Nothing.
She wasn't invited because we didn't know her like that.
Yeah. Well,
Yeah.
we knew her, but we weren't like close.
Yeah, we wasn't close until like during the summer of last year.
Yeah, pretty much.
2018 summer.
Well,
No.
The
yeah, cause it was a banquet.
Okay.
It was a banquet.
Okay, so next
That's
question.
not-
That's the question on here. How did we get so close? Okay. So the point for me, we're gonna each tell how we got close because I have a different perspective from the rest of them. Me and Angela was already like the best of friends, peas in the pod. Even our band teacher knew that. So
Yeah, we
we
was
was
always
like,
together.
we was always together. If you see me, you see Angela. If you see Angela, you see me. So Kimora and us started like she started telling us stuff, and we started telling her stuff, and it was like, okay, we're getting closer. And so we have a banquet every year. Most bands do that, like gives out awards and like name the new section leaders and drum majors and stuff like that, and tell the new show. Well, me and Angela had her friends there, and I wasn't gonna bother them because apparently they don't like extra. They're extra. So they didn't like me, so I let them sit up there. I was okay, and I'm sitting with my friends in the back. They got invited too.
Mm-hmm.
And Kimori, there was a situation with a girl and Kimori over a boy. Not gonna say that. And she started crying, and I was like,
Mind you, I did not cry because of the boy. I cried because me and the girl were really close, and it felt like just because of that incident, she judged me on my actions that had nothing to do with. So I started crying because I felt like me and her was going our separate ways. I didn't want to do that. I didn't want to lose.
and then she asked me to go out there and talk with her, and I was like, okay, I like really feel bad like right now. And so I went over there and talked to her, and she was just boo crying. I was hugging her, everything, and I was like, Angela need to be here for this.
Mm-hmm.
So I called her, and I was like, can you come out here right now? She was like, okay.
Right away.
And so we comfort her and stuff. And I was like, this is gonna be my girl. Like, I love this child right now. Like, I already knew that like we were gonna be besties, and now that we are.
Yeah.
Okay. Next question. Why did we start a channel? She knows why. I just was like, you want to tell them how we came up with it? Okay, so we was walking through the hallway. We got first block together.
and we was walking. You mad because you in the next class? We got first spot together, math, and we was walking, and I was saying something about a challenge, and then I was like, we should make a YouTube channel with Angela, and so we brought the idea to her, and then
You lying,
I swear, I said something about a channel, and then you was like, oh yeah.
No, you said a channel. I'm talking about. I said a challenge. I was like that. I watched a challenge the other day. It would be cool if you did a challenge where you'd be like, "Who know me more?"
Oh yeah. That was a challenge.
Oh yeah, that number good.
Yeah.
Okay, and then we brought the idea to her, and she was like, "Okay, I'm cool."
Like, yeah.
And so
I mean, I think we started this channel because like to have fun, and we already like really close. And it's like a lot of people laugh at us for no reason. Like we are so hilarious to people. I don't know
Like,
why.
us three together, we are like.
We trouble.
like, my
Yeah.
parents hate when we together. She
Like,
always here.
If y'all want to have a good time, get us.
Period. Like
No.
we made her party lit. That's it.
Stop.
I was like, girl, don't do that. You had the best time.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So.
Me and my undancing self.
Mm-hmm.
She can't dance for nothing.
Hey, but y'all was getting lit though.
We was trying to teach her some dog smash. She couldn't even get to.
I'm gonna learn, y'all. I'm gonna get it.
Okay, another.
Okay, what sports we play?
Okay, no sport. Band is a sport. Period. I don't
I
care.
don't care what nobody say. Band is a sport. We do as much as y'all other
Me and
sports
Angela
do.
currently trying to do track.
Track. Yes,
I used to dance
28.
and do cheerleading, but I quit. Like, there's a whole trophy case, like literally right there, with a trophy on it, and I was
Point
good.
to it, Angela.
Y'all might think I'm lying, but I'm really not. Like, it's just a trophy right there. But
Like right there.
a whole trophy case,
Like
like
three
12.
Wait.
3? There's
Girl, you know I'm lying.
3 rows full of trophies. What you talking
I
about?
thought some was Gianni.
No,
It's like maybe 4 of them.
Well, I didn't know that. You think I can see the names? I'm Superman or something.
The name's on the thing.
I mean, all you gotta do is read.
For real. They on the
Where?
It's
How
on the
can I
trophy.
see? Anyways, let's go to the next.
As you can see, we always arguing. Okay. So, how we came up with the name? Okay. So, y'all know our background picture. We was taking that picture and she
Doing that.
started.
Okay, yeah, we was taking a picture. Mr. River Rogers, our promoter, was taking a picture for us.
Can you
And-
Rogers?
No, government name on YouTube.
You say that all the time.
So we was taking it, and then I was like, 3 account, we got large amounts. 3 account, we got large amounts. I don't know why I said that, but I was just trying to come up with something. I was like, we was playing way too much, and I was like, oh, 3 account, we got large amounts.
I was like, hey.
3 account.
Oh.
Hello? Hi. Ready right now? My dad said, she said 5:30, not 5 o'clock. You don't care about
How
me?
wow? Like how late?
She said, how late? If we leave here at 5:30, will you be okay?
Mm-hmm.
She said, yeah. She said, if we leave here at 5:30, she'll be fine. Because she already told her parents.
Yeah, I asked
5:30. Alright.
We have to edit that out.
Yeah, I was supposed to pause it, but I ain't feel like doing it. You know, I'm home, baby.
Oh yeah, do you know how they be
question.
doing? They be like, oh.
I'm like,
Okay.
Yeah, I know.
We're back to the thingy.
All right, so now like okay.
So that's how we do that. Free
Okay.
time.
What we
I
like
don't
to
do
do
nothing.
on our free time? What do you do, Angela?
You know, I sit and daydream about the fairy tales and
Okay.
most of what I do is sleep. You said what?
That was our last question, baby.
Oh, so you know she like to talk, but yeah, I miss sleep, sing, you know, play around with my sisters, stuff like that.
Sing.
Or I'm at church.
Yeah,
Probably at church.
probably at church.
Mostly at church.
And what I do in my free time that I have time for? Chores, study, track, and go to singing practice. That's all I ever do.
My life is not. Okay.
Excited until now.
I don't do nothing at all. Like, literally, I'm in the house unless I'm with her.
Yeah, they stay together.
With me. Not her, but me.
The only reason she don't be with us all the time is because she has to work or church. She works
Got to get the money
24/7.
somehow.
Okay, but that's it. That's all the questions.
Well, alrighty, YouTube.
Don't ever say that ever again.
Anyways, I hope y'all really enjoyed the video. We this is our first video, so if it looks bad,
Take it for
then, you
love.
know,
Take it for
whatever.
love. You know how they say in church. Take it for love.
But
They say in church before they sing their
I've
song.
never seen that.
anyways, this is us. This is energy. This is Why she just pick around the corner?
She like,
Hey, how you doing?
hey, how you doing?
You feel me? This is all like what's the word?
I don't know. Hurry up.
What you trying to say?
Like
15 minutes, girl.
anyways, this is us. This is how we regularly act. So
You'll see more of us.
So
Stay
I
tuned
hope
for
you
videos.
enjoy. Stay tuned for more videos.
We finna record one right after this. So
Yep. Turn on that
Oh yeah,
notification
yeah,
bell.
yeah. If we got on the same clothes, don't say day, bro, because it's the same day. Okay?
Thank you.
Because I already know. Because I already know how people gonna be. Why y'all wearing the same clothes?
Yeah.
You know,
we gotta
people
say
always
clothes
post
on.
videos the same day. They just
But they
never mind,
change
that's
their
famous
outfits,
people.
bro.
Yeah, they do change outfits.
Turn on the post notifications for post notifications, Jada, for regular videos and for you to see.
Yeah,
what
follow
we
our
post.
Instagram 3 account.
No, it's not.
No, it's YT
YT
account.
Watch 3 account.
Yeah, we can't put it down below yet because we can't edit yet. So I don't know how to edit.
Well, we're gonna put it down below. Hopefully, if not, we'll just put it in the description. Hey, how you doing?
Alright. Save me some food.
You have my
that's it. You know, we are 3 accounts. We'll see you later.